Hey everyone, welcome back to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about, a tool that's not only essential for pros, but can be a game changer for anyone working on a car project. Introducing the new 3-piece flat pick and hook set. Alright, let's break down what this set is all about. You've got 3 different picks with angled tips, 60 degrees, 85 degrees, and 125 degrees, allowing you to reach and manipulate components from various angles. Each one is designed for delicate, intricate tasks, and believe me, they're going to save you tons of time and frustration when you need them most. Let's start with the 125 degree pick. Whether you're working on O-rings, gaskets, or pulling up wires from tight spots, this is the tool you'll want. It's sharp, sturdy, and gives you that precise control you need for delicate work. Next up, the 85 degree hook. This one's a must-have for jobs where you need to pull or manipulate items from around tight corners or edges. Ever tried to fish out a stuck clip or connector that's hard to reach? This hook will be your best friend. Finally, we've got the 60 degree curved hook. This one's great for pulling up seals, springs, or wiring that you can't grab with your fingers. Its shape gives you leverage in tight spaces where a straight tool just can't fit. So when should you use these tools? Whether it's pulling lines through tricky areas or removing seals, this set offers enhanced versatility for all your automotive or home needs. They're perfect for detailed tasks where regular pliers or screwdrivers just won't cut it. Each pick is constructed with a durable chrome-plated shank for long-lasting reliability. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and built to last. So there you have it, the new 3-piece flat pick and hook set, ready to make your work faster, easier, and more precise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tool reviews. Keep it cool and greasy.